Alright guys, check this out. I got this dragon fruit cleanse from Snowcrest. This is frozen fruits. This is on sale. And check it out. It has dragon fruit, it has pineapple, and mango. So, quite a neat combination. And you guys want to read that? Pause the video. Here's the nutrient panel. There we go. And the ingredients. Red dragon fruit. So it's different from the white one. It's a little bit sweeter. So let's open this up. All right, check that out. There's the red dragon fruit right there. So we're gonna take one of there. It's a nice little cube. Focus it. There we go. Try it out. It's a little bit sweeter than the white one. Because it's frozen, you don't get that sort of crunchy watermelon texture anymore. So definitely check it out. If you haven't, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.